Hello and welcome. So on October 6th, Google will have a hardware launch event where it will introduce the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, the Pixel Watch and the Pixel Buds Pro, which you are already aware of. And if you have been following Pixel 7 series closely, you probably even know what it looks like and some of its specs. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this series. For starters, the Google Pixel 7 was spotted on the US Amazon website by Brandon Lee. And although there isn't any new information here, the Amazon listing shows the smartphone will be available for purchase on October 13th. Also, Google intends to start taking pre-orders for its devices on October 6th according to a promotional video that was released last week. So that's the time frame. As for price, the Google Pixel 7 on Amazon is listed as $599, which is also what we noticed from Target's pricing leak from last week. And for Pro variant, it's $899. Well, we even got the pricing for Europe. The Pixel 7 in Europe is going to cost you €649. And according to Roland Quant, the same pricing is shown for Italy, Germany, and the UK. Moving on, Google has showed off a new trailer of the Pixel 7 Pro. Well, it's not actually new, it's been more than a day, but still, if you're watching it for the first time, it's new. Now, if you have noticed, the video doesn't reveal anything new as such. We already knew what the Pixel 7 Pro would look like, but it does give a close-up of the design details. Other than that, we know about the specifications as well and how it is a minor upgrade as compared to its predecessor. The display sounds the same as before, a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED panel with Quad HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The battery will essentially be the same as well with a 5000 mAh capacity with 30W fast charging, and it will reportedly be offered in 12 128GB and 12 256GB variants. There is no word on 12 512GB model like the current phones, so you get the basic idea, right? Now let me tell you about the changes in the Pro model. First and foremost, the processor. Google already confirmed the Pixel 7 Pro will run on the next generation Tensor chip, which in this case is the Tensor G2 chipset. On the camera front, it's basically the same setup, a 50MP main, 12MP ultrawide and a 48MP telephoto. But the telecamera will allegedly use a new sensor, Samsung GM1, but it's theoretically the same sensor. The selfie camera will have a subtle change as well. The resolution will remain at 11MP, though the new module is expected to have autofocus using a new Samsung 3J1 sensor. So what are your expectations from the upcoming Pixel devices? Let me know it down in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one.